Okay, guys, so welcome everyone. Next lesson we are going to start, and the name of the lesson is At the Science Fair. At the Science Fair. You can see there is one logo here showing you Science Fair. Science Fair. Getting? This is Science Fair. You already have visited, I think you might have visited a science fair where um, you are going to present various experiments and various data is available or information is available to you guys. So let's say here जाऊया तिथे बघा the science fair at where is the science fair guys कुठे ही science fair किंवा science जत्रा it is at Vidyavardhini school where it is at Vidyavardhini school. Okay, so the science fair at Vidyavardhini school was always an exciting affair. Okay, there were a number of stalls. There were number of stalls, never less than 50. कम के 50 स्टॉल तो असतातच. कम से कम 50 स्टॉल होते ही हैं. And entertainment booths and of course refreshments. There were two basic rules. Which were the rules, guys? First, the rule number one, everything in this science fair should be handled by students. Okay, this is the rule number one. And rule number two, everything, even the entertainment booths and refreshment stalls, had to have a scientific base. Getting, guys? So these are the two rules for arranging this science fair at Vidyavardhini school, and it is totally completely handled by students, and everything has a scientific base. Let's see now. So preparation for the fair began at least a couple of months in advance. लगे होते करे बाबा नो ना हो. ओके, तो प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए उन्हें क्या लगा, कुछ महीने पहले से प्रिपरेशन चलता है. The first step was brainstorming. The principal invited ideas for the event from students, teachers, and even from parents. So teachers से parents से क्या करते हैं, ideas मंगा लेते हैं. क्या क्या idea, क्या क्या करना चाहिए, like that. A host of ideas poured in. Luckily, many parents not only contributed ideas but also volunteered to help with planning and implementation of the big event. So बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने भी इसमें कंट्रीब्यूट किया था, आइडियाज भेजे थे, और उसके साथ बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स खुद वहां पे आए, उन्होंने बच्चों को हेल्प भी वहां पे किया ये प्लानिंग, ये इवेंट करने के लिए. सो अ कमिटी of parents and teachers was set up to look after all the work of the fair. So there was a committee, एक कमेटी बनाई, और वो कमेटी पूरा देख रही थी बच्चों ने क्या क्या किया, क्या क्या कर रहे थे बच्चे. Yes. Then some students representatives were also taken on the committee to give them a first hand experience of managing. तो कुछ बच्चों को भी कमेटी में लिया था, जैसे उनको खुद बच्चों को भी समझ में आना चाहिए कि कैसे कमेटी होती है और कैसे वो सब मैनेज करती है. See, you can see an example here. There are some parents, teachers, as well as some students here also. You can see two students are there. So this was like a uh, hands-on experience and first-hand experience of managing big programs like this. बच्चों को भी समझ में आना चाहिए कि बड़े-बड़े प्रोग्राम कैसे हैंडल किए जाते हैं. Now, the committee identified certain themes for the fair. तो कुछ-कुछ themes से उन्होंने identify किए. First, there were plants, animals, properties of substances, energy, forms of energy and energy resources, science in our everyday life, latest news from the world of science. Then, और क्या देखिए, okay, आगे जाओ. Food and nutrition, considering the area of the school playground and estimated turnout, it was decided to allow 56 stalls in the fair. Okay, sorry. Considering the area of the school playground, kitty food stalls, there were 56 stalls. We already seen that कम से कम 50 stalls अस्तर 10 कम से कम 50 स्टॉल होते ही हैं. The stalls were allotted to us many groups of children. Each group selected a topic or idea from the chosen themes. The committee had to make sure that the topics were not repeated. तो कमिटी में देखा 56 स्टॉल्स बनाने हैं और बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स में फिर क्या हो गया, बच्चे डिवाइड हो गए, ग्रुप बन गए बच्चों के, और उन्होंने देखा कि हर एक ने एक एक आइडिया लिया, और आइडिया रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए, सेम स्टॉल्स नहीं बनने चाहिए, देयर शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेशन ऑफ आइडियाज. Yes, very good evening everyone. Let's go ahead. You can see guys, so these are so the themes are shown to you. That's properties of substances, latest news from the world of science, only science. साइंस इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ, हमारे हर दिन के जिंदगी में कैसे साइंस के अलग अलग यूज होते हैं. फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन, व्हाट आर द न्यूट्रिशंस वी गेट फ्रॉम द फूड, प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड द एनर्जी, forms of energy and energy resources. Energy किससे मिलते हैं, like that everything. So these were the themes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now next page. The young scientist began their work in the earnest. From They began by collecting a lot of information about their topic using their science textbook, the school library and also the internet. So जो भी बच्चों को टॉपिक दिए थे, उन्होंने इंफॉर्मेशन ढूंढना शुरू किया, टेक्स्ट बुक से ढूंढा, also they went to library, school library, और वहाँ और इंटरनेट का भी उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया. Then they shared and discussed this information in their group. So group में सबको बताया भाई ऐसा ऐसा हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है. The next step is what? To decide the exact activity for the stall, whether they would build and display a model or give a demonstration or present their project through posters or simply exhibit a collection. So these are the different ways. एक तो demonstration करना है, या फिर सिर्फ present करना है posters के, और या फिर सिर्फ exhibition रखना है, ठीक है, collection का. तो ये हम अलग अलग तरह से कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने कुछ कहीं पे आप देखे होंगे, या फिर you might have visited a science fair, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. The principal announced that the language, appearance, and content of the presentations were all important. ये भी important होता है, right? The language. Obviously, the language should be English, or it can be Marathi, it can be Hindi, because सबको parents को तो नहीं आता in English, so they can also have some information about the language. But mostly the everything in the science fair is generally in the English language only. Appearance and content क्या क्या वो भी important है. The language teachers helped the young stall holders to make the graphics and oral presentation more effective. तो teacher ने भी help किया था, जो भी language teacher थे. Now this is a graphic representation, guys. Let's see here. Yeah. Right to the point so that a visitor may read or chart or poster at a glance. Okay, तो पॉइंट ऐसे लिखना होता है जैसे कोई विजिटर आएगा या फिर कोई पर्सन आएगा, he must have the idea. Make use of bullet points or bulleted list. Bullet points आपने देखे होंगे, ऐसे पॉइंट्स होते हैं, और या फिर like that. Use pictures and diagrams and label them. Use pictogram, graph, pie charts to show the numerical data. Plan all your posters, charts properly before you start making them. Make a rough mini copy before you begin work on the big final poster or chart. Don't forget to check your spelling, sentences or other errors in the mini copy. क्योंकि spelling mistakes वगैरह होना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है. Then use different colors to highlight important features, but use them judiciously. अलग अलग कलर्स यूज कर सकते हैं. If you have used any text, picture, diagrams from elsewhere, acknowledge the source. कहाँ से हमने कुछ information लिया है वो भी आपको लिखना होता है. किसी टेक्स्ट बुक से लिया है, किसी इंटरनेट किसी वेबसाइट से लिया है. So everything. Then there is an oral representation. Then oral presentation. The oral presentations or speeches should be short and to the point. The time is only 2 to 3 minutes at the most. बहुत कम समय मिलता है इसके लिए. Okay, you get less time. Okay, so only 2 to 3 minutes are allowed, and it should be short and to the point. Short and to the point. They should be directly related to the model, demonstration or specimens exhibited in the stall. Be confident when you make a presentation. Rehearse the speech well. Rehearse the speech well. उसको अच्छे से rehearse करो. Be ready to answer relevant questions. Practice doing that with your friends. So questions लोग पूछेंगे. वहाँ पे लोग आएंगे. They will ask you some questions and you must answer them, or you must be ready to answer them right. नहीं तो ऐसा होगा कि हम आंसर नहीं दे पाएंगे. Then it's not good. Then see, you can see one. There's a girl and she has done some prism कैसे काम करता है उसने वहाँ पे दिया है. Newton's disk, like that. The next point is make use of visuals or graphics in the stall. देखो जैसे इसने भी यहाँ पीछे visuals वगैरह लगाए हुए हैं. Point to the relevant parts when you speak. बताओ क्या है हमें दिखाना यहाँ पे. Wear clean and tidy clothes. अच्छे कपड़े पहनना है वहाँ पे. But do not dress up to show off. ज्यादा बहुत ऐसा दिखा नहीं. अच्छे से कपड़े पहने, सिंपल कपड़े पहनो अच्छे से. बहुत बार तो ये आपका स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म ही होता है. Here. Be polite. अच्छे से. Be polite. नम्र रहा लोकेशी. अच्छे से बर्ताव करो. Be pleasant when you talk to the visitor. Visitor आते हैं तो उसको अच्छे से बात करें. तो ये फिर ऐसा आप unpleasant नहीं रहोगे वहाँ पे. If you don't know the answer to a question, say so. But later on, try to find the answer. अगर किसी question का आंसर नहीं आता है, you can say कि sir I'm really sorry or madam I'm really sorry I don't know the answer etc. लेकिन उसके बाद उसका आंसर ढूंढो, वो question का आंसर ढूंढो. Smile, always smile. हंसते रहो, हंसते रहो. Okay, so that was about the oral presentation. Next thing. Now, चलो. So at last the big day arrived. अभी ये day आ गया जब वहाँ पे fair होने जा रहा था. At last the big day arrived. The fair was inaugurated by the oldest science teacher, that is Mr. Gizar. It was Mr. Gizar who had come up with the idea of science fair some 25 years ago. तो ये जो साइंस टीचर है, इन्होंने 25 इयर्स पहले ही इस तरह का कुछ साइंस फेयर होना चाहिए उसके बारे में उन्होंने पहले बात की थी. तो वो वहाँ पे आए और उन्होंने क्या किया, साइंस फेयर चालू, मतलब इनॉग्रेशन किया साइंस फेयर का. नेक्स्ट. Initially, it was meant for just one class, but the idea can become so popular that now the entire school participated. पहले बोला कि भाई किसी एक क्लास में करो, लेकिन बाद में वो पूरे स्कूल में वो आइडिया हो रहा था. मतलब कौन सा, साइंस फेयर. Mr. Gizar explained the importance of using the scientific method to find the answers to the questions relating to sorry guys, to the physical world around us. He was happy to see the stars, especially the ones that showed simple methods of identifying food adulteration. तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमारे जिंदगी में साइंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है और उनको अच्छा लगा कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ऐसे स्टॉल्स बनाए. एक स्टॉल तो उनको इतना अच्छा लगा कि उसमें बताया था कि सिंपल मेथड बताई थी कि हम हमारे फूड में, हमारे जो भी फूड है उसमें हम अडल्ट्रेशन कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते. आइडेंटिफाई म्हणजे अडल्ट्रेशन मतलब क्या होता है, भेसळ. हाँ, भेसळ समझा. भेसळ म्हणजे काय. सपोज दूध आहे, दुधामध्ये पाणी टाकणं म्हणजे भेसळ झाली. दूध में अगर पानी ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो वो एडल्ट्रेशन होता है. He appreciated the fact that in most of the stalls, visitors could also try out the various experiments and models. और कुछ कुछ स्टॉल्स ऐसे थे कि विजिटर वहां पे जाने के बाद वो खुद एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते थे. He gave a special pat on the back of the Clean Brigade. The brigade members made rounds of the fair spreading the message of cleanliness. कुछ कुछ बच्चे थे, देखो, you can see here there is a one boy. He is carrying this dustbin and he is saying about the cleanliness program. हमारे भारत में भी स्वच्छ भारत अभियान चालू है. Now the brigade members made rounds of the fair, spreading the message of cleanliness. But that was not all. They had vowed to keep the school. Dekho. You can see, yes, I think this is the person. That's Mr. Giza, scientist. Plants. You can see there's a science in our everyday life. So these were the various stalls here, guys. Hmm. Premises spick and span during the fair. Though they expected more than 1,000 visitors and half as many stalls holder, they were disciplined a lot. But what with so many activities and experiments going on, it was bound to create a lot of litter. They were well equipped with garbage cans, scoops, booms, brooms, and wipes. तो इतने ज्यादा लोग थे तो क्या हुआ था, उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा भागदौड़ करनी पड़ी. कचरा ज्यादा हो रहा था, वो कचरा वो फटाफट फटाफट उठा रहे थे. The next thing is that let us take a round of the fair to see some highlights. The sixth standard children were handling the following stores. तुम्हारे उम्र के कुछ बच्चे थे स्टैंडर्ड 6 के, उन्होंने कुछ यहाँ पे स्टॉल्स में लगाए थे जहाँ पे कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स उन्होंने किए थे. सो हम उनके बारे में जानेंगे इस समय.